Huge quantity of ganja haul in Bokajjan, 4 persons arrested. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live Morning News. You're watching with your host Julie Baby, bringing you the latest news for this morning. Now the news in details. The Bokajjan police continued with success on their war against drugs along the NH36 connecting Assam with Nagaland and Manipur. Ever since the proclamation war against drugs by Assam's CM Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, the action of Bokajjan police had taken more strength. On Sunday, 2 groups of drugs smugglers were arrested and a huge quantity of the banned substances recovered. On Sunday morning, acting on a tip-off, a naka was set up by IC Lahorijan Police Post Karbi Anglong, Bokajjan SIUB, Manujal Gogoi and staff in front of Lahorijan checkpoint. At about 6 a.m., one 1109 model truck bearing registration number AS01KC 9163 was intercepted, and on being thorough search of the vehicle, 4 polythene packets containing 20.760 kg of suspected cannabis ganja were recovered from the vehicle. The driver, 31 years old KH Rajeshwar Singh, son of KH Jogeshwar Singh, resident of Loitang Khunon Maning Leikai under Sekmai Police Station of Imphal West, Manipur, along with owner of the vehicle, 41 years old, Tonabam Tasken, son of Tonabam Mera of Sapnangkhok under Yanggangpokpi Police Station of Imphal East, have been apprehended. During preliminary interrogation, the apprehended persons revealed that they carried the cannabis ganja from Imphal, Manipur, and supposed to be delivered to Hojai, Assam. The cannabis ganja packets were seized under the physical supervision of CI Borpothar Inspector Bhupen Kalita. Earlier in another operation at about 5 a.m. early morning, acting on a tip-off, a raid was conducted by John Das APS SDPO Bokajjan, assisted by OC Khatkhati SIUB Moblik Brahma SIUB Charan Mohan Chetia and staff in front of Gandhi Garage, and recover 3 suitcases containing 35 grams heroin. In this connection, 2 persons have been arrested along with one 10-wheeler truck with the registration number MN019685. The persons arrested were identified as 36 years old Nauba Singh, son of late Chandra Singh, and his companion, 29 years old Mangijau Singh, son of Bobby Singh, both are residents of Imphal West District in Manipur. Anantarang's report from Bokajjan for Karbi Anglong Live. Several organizations of Nilip constituency on Sunday conducted social work aimed at preventing accidents on road due to blockades of road view due to uncontrolled bushes and shrubs on both sides of the road. Our correspondent has sent us this report. Organizations comprising of Chingrum Youth Association, Students and Youth Council and Karbi Students Association Nilip unit conducted the social work, during which its members cleared bushes and overgrowths on both sides of the road, which has been hampering the view of road, which may lead to road accidents of fatal nature. More importantly, the vegetation clearing work was carried to avoid accidental killings of wild animals by vehicles due to thick and uncontrolled bushes along the road. Organizations told Karbi Anglong Live that many local people of the area say that they had met elephants and even tiger while passing along the road, which pose threat to both the humans and the wild animals. Chingri Youth Association President Jirsong Togbi, Students and Youth Council Nilip Unit Secretary Isaiah Teron, and Karbi Students Association Nilip Unit members Songja Timung, Starsong Togbi, and Sarnok Singnar were also present during the social work carried out here on Sunday.
Kedam tangan ingkan sontak taksi piningan ingkan sami sutiana open kolom matiada along nitum labang so towar kacaleng siksakpik athema ingnar lapen bong krui pen nitum kapherenang do ingnar kacetong pen scooty kewek lapen bike kewek atum making phu amek arwak wak lapen dopik lapen a joksi nitum labang so amoi sapen kacepa jog japan se nitum towar pen tharlon isisi hini nitum panpon lo Chingrum Youth Association pen nasi pini sampai tumpon kilometer hini ni anke panpon tum pini sewai pen.
It may be mentioned that this road is lifeline for the entire population of Nilip MEC constituency and therefore assumes great significance for the hill districts as a whole. Sanjit Crow's report from Chokehula for Karbi Anglong Live. The count of road accident is increasing every day in Karbi Anglong, and almost every other accident involve speeding and reckless driving and ending with tragedy. On Saturday evening, one person identified as Kangbura Ingti, resident of Saret Ingti village in Nahorlosa, became yet another victim of a road accident. The incident took place at around 7 p.m. on Saturday evening when he was hit by an over-speeding bike, killing him on the spot. The rider and youth on Pelin were identified as Libin Enduar and Libanas, both residents of Sondrupur village from neighboring Golaghat district. The bike involved in the accident did not have a number plate as it was stated to be new. Meanwhile, Chokehula police were immediately informed on the incident and they are now handling the matter.
Pini labang so ghotona ke do ko ano por pen lo la pen kumaramuni si labang so areng pai phan ke patong tegang lo
7 baji lo hin patong ka bang su 5 menit an ke direct patong lam lo menit tum kar lab lo bahni ke net bang net long check lo
amuni na men chini ma
amuni na men chini ne na ju bom lam menit men ke
kalang ma
gari bang long lo
Gari
number plate ave
la sonde antela loge thi phir jan ma
loge log thi pil lo
antare ki thi ba men upulo
Kangbura Ingti arong adak sarthing ti nor sola sarthing ti ro
kalang ma nang ligente
Nelly dak popar chukela defense BTP loss tamila so debt along bang men men ang phudun tong the masi hedi stame noni to musi men lang lo thekong lo Kangbura Ingti Nahorsada Sunday weekly market at hengno tiniali sariali are long si lapan patong bob alang li ke Nahorsada Saret Ingti ro arong ahem ke apo ape lapen avelo lang ahem che dambong hu la ke achikli mar mate angjir pi long si chidudun angjir pi hem chidudun Kangbura Ingti hem che dambong hu si bang thom tum gari pen bang ma si patong kang bob lo patong kang bob lo the dead lo da ma si dead lo sitame apak ta dake hatta kori dundelang sitame memen rak tum the long ma si asomni pan ke jo pulmat amunit phanep long check lo amunit phain phanep lo bhani khat lo agari lahen lo number plate avela gari lo
kalabaso kesi
laso kesa bang ke nitum non arikhit thana Chokehula nitum usi phan tum samjai long
Sanjit Crow's report from Chokehula for Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have it is for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.